much fun! Quack, quack! Let's go this way.
Pippin, did you hear that? What could it be? A new puddle to splash in? Let's go see.
It's getting louder. It sounds like big water.
My ears tell me it's just over there.
Wow! It's even bigger than a giant puddle. It's beautiful. Last one in is a grumpy goose. Wait, Pippin. Be careful. It's so cool and splashy. Come on, Willow. Oh, you little rascal. All right, you convinced me. But only my toes. It's the best, isn't it? Ooh, look at this shiny one.
Pippin, be careful. That rock looks slick.
Help! Help! I can't paddle. Pippin, grab my paw. Quack! I'm scared. Help! Someone, please help us. It feels big.
My, what troubles have found you two? Barnaby, we're stuck.
We can't get out.
Hold on tight, little ones. Barnaby's got ya.
We're flying.
Thank you, Barnaby. We're safe. We're really safe.
Thank goodness. That was so scary.
Ooh, a warm breeze. Just what I needed.
You think of everything, Barnaby. You saved us. We wouldn't know what to do without you.
Always be mindful of where you play, little ones.
The forest can be full of surprises, both good and race you to the buttercup patch. You're on, but no splashing.